Nuclear energy will need to double capacity by 2050 to help the world address climate change, achieve energy security, and meet electricity demands. But no country has yet disposed of the already existing 250,000 metric tons of spent nuclear fuel. Without a viable nuclear waste solution, can nuclear power really be successful? A recent poll found that 64% of Americans opposed to nuclear energy are worried about the waste. The time is now to focus on innovative waste disposal technologies that can support a nuclear renaissance. The European Union says nuclear power plants won't qualify as green investments if they don't have a plan for waste disposal. Governments are looking seriously at investing in closing the nuclear fuel cycle. Deep Isolation is the first private company with an innovative technology that can offer governments a safe, equitable, and flexible option to isolate their nuclear waste. Initial calculations show high levels of safety. Directional borehole drilling technology offers more flexibility in repository locations. Partnerships with industry leaders to work in tandem with governments. Flexible roadmap that governments could start following now. By focusing on solutions to the nuclear waste problem, Deep Isolation can help unlock a more promising future for clean nuclear energy that helps address climate change, gives governments energy independence, and meets growing electricity demands. Visit deepisolation.com to learn more.